Dear friends, it is a privilege to speak to you today as part of this timely event organized by Project Syndicate, the World Bank, and High Impact Studio. When I was first elected president of Colombia, I took over a country that was flooded for almost 18 months. The La Niña phenomenon, aggravated by climate change, meant it rained and rained and rained. What became very clear was that we not only had to make peace with the oldest and strongest guerrilla in the Western Hemisphere, but equally important for our survival, we had also to make peace with nature. So we acted quickly and with determination. Today, Colombia has declared more than 30% of its territory as protected areas. Loss of nature is also an economic issue because the collapse of essential ecosystems could lead countries like mine into bankruptcy. To take just one example, around 75% of food crops rely on animal pollination, bees, birds, butterflies. The loss of animal pollinators is simply unthinkable. We need to agree a global deal for nature to put the world's biodiversity on a path to recovery by 2030. This means a clear set of global goals, including concrete plans to protect 30% of land and ocean before the end of the decade. It is encouraging to see the World Bank already playing such a leading role in our discussions today. The World Bank can and must play a catalytic role in unlocking the flows of global finance needed to address both the climate and biodiversity crisis. We cannot afford to delay in creating ambitious targets to protect and restore biodiversity in the next decade. Thank you.